Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tintin and I share real tips, experiences, and guides about working on a cruise ship. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried cooking for a big family gathering, like 10, maybe 15 people? Stressful na, di ba? Now imagine this. Cooking not for 15, not for 50, but for a 3,000 guests every single day. And not just once a day, but breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and room service. That's the real life of culinary crew on board in a cruise ship. And today, I'm going to break it down for you what really happens behind the scenes. Because what you see as a guest, beautiful buffet, plated meals, desserts, that's just the final result. What you don't see is the pressure, the system, and the reality behind it. Let's start with the scale. A cruise ship usually has around 2,000 to 4,000 guests, plus around 1,000 to 2,000 crew members. So that's roughly 4,000 to 5,000 people eating every day. Now, here's what most people don't realize. Hindi lang ito isang lutuan. There are multiple food operations happening at the same time. Buffet restaurants, main dining room, specialty restaurant, and crew mess. Each one has different menus, different timing, and different standards. For example, breakfast alone can require thousands of eggs. Meat consumption can reach hundreds of kilos per day. Desserts prepared in massive batches. So this is not just cooking. This is a system, a production line, but with restaurant level quality. Now let's talk about the daily routine. Most culinary crew work 10 to 14 hours a day. And this is where reality hits. Puyat is normal. Some crew start as early as 4 a.m. or 5 a.m., especially for breakfast preparation. Imagine this. While guests are still sleeping, the kitchen is already alive. May nagpre-prepare ng vegetables, may nagmamarinate, may nagluluto na agad. After breakfast, preparation for lunch. And sometimes, you don't even get a full rest because of split shifts. Meaning, work ka sa umaga, break ng ilang oras, then balik ulit sa trabaho. So kahit may pahinga, hindi siya sapat para maka-recover fully. That's why physical endurance is very important in this job. Now let's talk about pressure. Guests on board expect 5-star quality food. Hindi pwedeng okay na yan. Every plate must be presentable, consistent, tama ang lasa, tama ang portion. And here's the challenge. You're doing all of that while preparing food in bulk. So imagine the pressure. Dapat mabilis ka, pero hindi ka pwedeng magkamali. Because one complaint can reach management immediately. And when that happens, it affects the whole team. Now here's something very critical. USPH inspection or US Public Health. This is one of the biggest pressure on board. Why? Because inspections are unannounced. Meaning, anytime pwede silang dumating. And when they do, everything is checked. Food storage, temperature control, cleanliness, cross-contamination, personal hygiene. Even small details matter. Halimbawa, mali ang storage ng food, hindi tama ang temperature, may nakita silang dumi. That can already be a violation. And this doesn't just affect the kitchen, it affects the entire ship rating. That's why culinary crew are trained to always follow strict hygiene standards, proper food handling, and clean as you go policy because it's not just about cooking, it's about safety and compliance. Now imagine doing all of this alone. Impossible. That's why teamwork is everything in the galley. You have a full structure. Commis chef, demi chef, chef de partie, sous chef, executive chef. Each role has a specific responsibility. Parang machine yan. If one part slows down, the whole system is affected. So communication is fast, walang drama, walang delay. You help each other, you adjust quickly because service must go on. Let's be honest, this job is not easy. Mainit sa gali, mahaba ang working hours, puyat ka pa. Plus pressure from the guests and inspections. And this is something you need to understand. Hindi ito para sa lahat. Some people quit. Some people cannot handle the pressure because this job will test your patience, your stamina, and your mindset. But here's the other side of the story. If you survive this environment, you grow. You become faster, more disciplined, and more confident. And of course, there are benefits: international experience, opportunity to work with different cultures, competitive salary, and career growth. And pinaka-importante, you build a strong work ethic because if you can handle this level of pressure, mas madali na ang ibang trabaho outside. Think about this. Kung ang pagluluto para sa 10 to 15 people nakaka-stress na, what more kung libo-libo? Every single day. That's culinary life on board a cruise ship. So if you're planning to apply as a cook or galley utility, make sure you're ready. Not just as skills, but physically and mentally. Because this job will challenge you, but it can also change your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more real talk and cruise ship guides. Again, this is Tintin and I'll see you in the next video.